In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoices in Xero. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, customizing your invoices can help your business stand out and convey a professional image. It's an essential part of maintaining consistency in your brand's communication. First things first, let's dive into accessing your Xero account. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Xero website. If you've visited before, it'll likely be at the top of your search results. Click on it, and it will lead you to their main page. Once you're there, find and click on the Login button located at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your account. Following that, select your business from the list available. This is crucial to ensure you're making changes to the correct entity. Next, navigate to the Settings tab. You'll see it usually under the drop-down menu associated with your business profile. Clicking on Settings will open a page filled with various customization options for your business processes. Now direct your focus to Invoice Settings. This is where the magic happens. By accessing the invoice settings, you have the power to redefine how your invoices appear. Here, click on New Branding Theme. This step allows you to create a unique style for your invoices. It's a fantastic tool to help your business establish its own identity, reflecting the aesthetics that resonate with your brand. After creating your desired theme, don't forget to hit Save. It ensures that all your hard work setting up the new theme doesn't go to waste. With the new branding theme saved, look around for the Options menu in the invoice settings. Clicking here opens a plethora of choices to further personalize your invoices. One of the prominent features you'll find is the Change Logo option. Uploading your company's logo makes your invoices more personal and recognizable. It's always recommended to use a high-resolution image to maintain professionalism. Beyond that, you'll also have the opportunity to explore other customization options. Adjust elements like colors, fonts, and layouts to mirror your company's style and tone. This detailed customization can aid in creating a cohesive look across all business documents. Customization in Xero is all about ease and user-friendliness while providing enough flexibility to match your specific business needs. Empower your business communication with beautifully tailored invoices that not only look great, but help reinforce your brand's presence to your clients. And that wraps up our tutorial on customizing invoices in Xero. With these practical steps, personalizing your invoices should now be an easy and straightforward task. Thank you for joining me today, and happy customizing!